Hello, welcome. My name is Eben and today I'll be introducing to you our new classroom sticker. So some of these classroom sticker can be used for a lot in the classroom. We have different kinds of objects, animals and more. And then in case you have a customized product you want us to help you out with, we can actually help you out with that. So let me show you how to remove this. Assuming you have this school bus and you want to remove this time we have actually make it very easy for you to remove. So you just go to one of the edge and as much as possible take your time, because it is sticker, it can actually stick on each other, so you can be two to remove this, but if you're an expert like me, you can just remove it on your own. So almost done. Yes, I'm done with this now. So I just have this little stick, then I remove, then I have the object. So what I'm going to do now, I've already pasted one on top before, and I'll be pasting, maybe let me paste it on top over here. Okay, yes, the car. And this is what I have. You can get this product on our website. Our website is easy to access. Our website is ebencut.com, and from there you can actually get all our products very easy. Just click on order via WhatsApp, and you can also use the cart button also to order as much as possible. We have different design. This is one of our design which is for the classroom. If you have crash, if you have caption that you need in your classroom as much as possible, we can help you out with this. I'll be expecting you to visit the website today. Thank you very much. Bye.